So this problem was asked in GATE 1 mark and the year was 2005. In 2005, it was asked in 1 mark, right? The question is, an organization has class B network. It wishes to form a subnet for 64 departments. The subnet mask would be, so you know that if it wishes to form 64 departments, it means that what it wants to do, it wants to divide the complete network into 64 parts. It means that we need network ID bits. And how many network ID bits do we require? 2 to the power 6, that is 64. So we require 6 network ID bits. Now you know, if it is class B, then first two octets by default it should be 111111 dot 11111111. Why I have written it? Because default subnet mask of class B is default subnet mask of class B is 255.255.0.0. But you know, we require to form 64 departments here. That is, we require 6 network ID bits. So what I am doing, I further need 6 more bits, 111111, and then 00 dot 0000000. So this 6 bits, this is called as subnet ID bits. And with the help of this 6 subnet ID bits, we can divide the whole networks into 64 departments. And the decimal equivalent of this notation is 255.255.252.0, which is nothing but option D. So GATE 2005 1 mark problem it was. I hope the solution was very easy and everybody can do it.